Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video with Scott. Today we're checking out this smartwatch. We're going to unbox it and show you guys what it looks like. So guys, this is what comes in the box. Nice little manual. You get your power charging cable. It is a magnetic charging cable. So we'll show you more on that in a minute. Nice silicone strap. So guys, this is what the watch looks like. Make sure you peel this off. There's a thin little piece of protector on there, so make sure you peel that off. A lot of people forget about that. To activate it, you just simply plug in your USB. Oh no, okay. So this one's a little different. You actually just press and hold the power button here to activate it, to turn it on. Ooh, that is really cool, guys. Oh, I love how it shows. So this is one of the faces you guys can see. And by swiping, you can see all these different modes. Again, check out your manual for the app. You got music, you can do weather, air quality, tomorrow, and you can go down and do all this stuff. Swipe up, you have settings, you got flashlight. Different settings you guys can check out. If you swipe down, you got step, message, sleep, sport, health, weather, brightness, stopwatch, display time, setting, flashlight, search photo. Was that search photo? Search phone, so that can find your phone. Music, breathing, camera, menu style, and then back. That's pretty awesome. If we swipe this way, you can see it says no news, but I assume with messaging you could see your messages there. Press and hold, and that allows you to change your face. Ooh, wow. So pretty cool, guys. And then you just tap. So this is really nice. For more information, check out your manual. But overall, guys, it's really nice. Nice smartwatch. Tons of features. Again, we don't go over everything. It would take us a couple hours. I show you guys what you want to know and you want to see how it looks. And overall, it's nice.